I just want to quickly jump in here at the start and say I'm really sorry that my uploads have been all over the place recently. Like, I was away and didn't have Wi-Fi for like one of my videos last week. Then I got really ill and I couldn't upload last Monday. Then I was supposed to have a video on Friday, but it was a sponsored video with a brand and they didn't get back to us on like approval whether it was like good to go, and it was supposed to be going live on Friday and I hadn't had anything else prepared. So I'm really sorry that I didn't upload on Friday, but hopefully this week you'll get 3 videos. Fingers crossed. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a bit of a different one for me. I was on Twitter a couple of weeks ago. I was getting quite a few tweets from people saying that they'd seen on Wish that my palette, my first palette with Makeup Revolution, is available on Wish, but it's a fake version and it's more expensive than the real one. Why would somebody try and make a fake version of a drugstore palette that's already £10 to start off with? Like, it just doesn't really make any sense to me, but I don't know, maybe they're trying to like make a palette for really cheap, sell it as a fake and then make money off it. I guess that's what they're trying to do, but I thought it would actually make a pretty interesting video idea if I ordered it myself. So that's what I did. And here is the rest of the footage. Okay, so please excuse the fact that I'm wearing my dressing gown. My makeup's been on all day, but whatever, I just keep forgetting to film this part of the clip of me actually ordering it, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. It has basically come to my attention recently. Somebody tweeted me the other day saying that my palettes are available on Wish, but they're fake. I've got 2 different eyeshadow palettes, but the one that is on Wish is the original one, which is just called the Soph palette. And yeah, somebody on Wish is selling fakes, even though my palettes in the UK are £10. You can buy them in Superdrug. And on Wish, they're selling fake ones for £13, which I don't quite understand. I basically thought I would order one and see what happens. Also, can we just appreciate that as soon as I go onto Wish, right, you need to log in and everything, but they sell some weird shit on here. Like, they have everything. Sunglasses, don't know what that is, fashion stuff, a laptop, and then a penis keyring. Is that a fish hook? I don't even know what that is. I don't even want to know what that is. They seriously have the most random stuff on here, like a full coverage foundation for £1, some stickers that are supposed to lift up your boobs, mugs, little like Jack Skellington thing that's probably been recommended because that's like what I've been looking at. But yeah, they have like pretty much everything on here. Hang on a minute, I've just realised as I was literally just scrolling down there when I said they pretty much have everything on here. There it is. This is literally the fake version of my palette. So let's click on this one. Sometimes they even have items on there that are free, but then you just have to pay for the shipping. And you have to pay for the shipping of each individual item that you order. But I think today I'm just going to order this one item. Maybe I should check if they have any of my other products. And I'm pretty sure everything comes from China, so I believe it's going to take quite a long time to arrive. The date today is the 29th of September, so we'll see when this video goes live. £13 GBP. Reduced from £66 GBP, which is clearly a lie because the original one is cheaper than this. The original one is £10. It was never £66, let's be real. Everything on here says that it was more expensive than it was. And yeah, they've just stolen somebody's picture of a look they've done using my palette. Maybe it's not even my palette. Here we go. They've also stolen a picture here of the actual palette. But then when you click, okay, that's the actual one. But then when you look at the one that they've made, that's shiny, my one is matte, and then the actual colours, they've got these wrong, like they've got them in the wrong order. I don't know what they've done, but that's not my palette, that's the fake one. But the thing that makes me really sad, right, is I designed this box myself. That's like a genuine watercolour that I have, you know, I did the watercolour, I painted it. I know it's not anything technical, but I literally did this in my living room and then like it got created into packaging. And they've just completely ripped off everything. Like, I don't understand how they're allowed to do this, but hey ho, let's order it and see how it is. But yeah, they don't seem to have the highlighter. It's literally just the original palette. Okay, I'm now getting really distracted and I've kind of convinced myself that I need one of these pumpkins. They're so cute. Update, it's now, what is the date? The date is Sunday 14th of October and my package actually arrived on Friday, but I haven't actually opened it yet. I've just taken it out of the plastic bag that it was in and it's all in bubble wrap. I've got it right here. Let's open this up. This took 2 weeks to arrive. I think I ordered it on the 29th. I just checked my emails, and obviously it will be in the clips before this. I know that sometimes when you order stuff from like Wish and these other companies, it can literally take like 2 or 3 months. So I had no idea when this was going to get here. So I'm quite relieved it's here now, and I'm going to set up my big camera, put on some makeup, and we're going to compare these to the real one. I'm kind of low-key scared about what I'm going to find, but we'll see. So I have the package right here, and we're just gonna dive in. I mean, they bubble wrapped it pretty well, to be fair. 10 out of 10 on the packaging. This is so weird. This is so weird. Okay, the first thing I'm noticing is it's like a lot thicker than the real one. That's the fake, that's the real. And I just want to say now, I do not recommend buying fake makeup off of Wish. I'm not actually going to be putting this on my eyes. I will swatch it on my arm because I don't care so much about my arm over my eyes. My eyes are really sensitive, and like whenever something goes on them that I don't know is slightly off in terms of ingredients, it doesn't really go well with my skin. But yeah, if you are buying makeup from Wish or AliExpress or even like eBay and Amazon, there's so many fakes out there. And if you are wanting to get your hands on any like Revolution makeup in general, you can get it from Superdrug in the UK, or you can get it on the Revolution Beauty website. They ship worldwide. But I just would not advise ordering them off Amazon, eBay, Wish or AliExpress or anything like that. Just like makeup in general, because there's no like control over the ingredients of what goes in them, especially when it's a fake product, because it has the exact same box with the exact same ingredients on the back because they've just copied the box, but then you don't actually know what ingredients are in the fake one. So like, it's just not the best idea. I've seen other videos of people using fake makeup and then they've come up in like rashes and blisters and like all this horrible stuff, so I'm not going to be putting it on my face. The fake box is slightly darker in terms of the like colour, and it's a bit more pinky, but they've pretty much nailed the box. Like, it looks pretty much exactly the same. Same with the back, they've pretty much just copied the whole thing. This one's just like slightly darker and the colours on the back are a bit more like dingy. But yeah, like I said, the only thing that I noticed first is that the fake one is significantly thicker. It's like twice the thickness almost. Okay, maybe not twice, but it's thick. It's thick, we're just gonna say that. Okay, it comes wrapped in cardboard. That doesn't happen in the actual one. This is so weird. Why has it got like cling film on it? Okay, right, the first difference, the fake one is shiny. The real one is like matte and then it's got the shiny writing. But this one is like fully shiny everywhere. Again, I think it's definitely thicker. But they are like pretty much the same size, like this sort of way. On the real one, the front and the back are matte, and it's got this little like box around it here. I don't know if you can see. That's kind of like engraved into the plastic where the sticker sits, whereas on the fake one they've just kind of like slapped a sticker on. Like, it's a bit wonky. I mean, to be fair, you could get a wonky one of these, but like they've just slapped it on. There's no like box around it. They've even taken the damn name sheet. I don't know, the mirror's all like covered in stuff. They've taken the name sheet, but they've got the shades in the wrong order. So this one here, which is this one right here has the label of pumpkin, and it's supposed to be this like bright orange colour. That one there is actually petrol, but they've swapped pumpkin and petrol. They've swapped smoky bronze and pine tree. Is this so like we can't sue them because they're like, oh, it's not the same? Like, I don't know. This is the real one right here. This is what it should be like, with like the actual names in the right places and everything. That one's pumpkin, that one's pine tree, that one's petrol, that one's smoky bronze. So yeah, they've just like swapped some of the shades around. They have got the name sheet right though, which again is really weird because like I named all of these shades and they've just like taken, I don't know, I don't like it. Makeup gets faked all the time. I just never thought it would happen to something that like I had designed, so I'm slightly offended, but whatever. Okay, so this one right here is the real one. As you can kind of see, the shimmer shades in here actually like look quite a bit different to the mattes, and they reflect and they look a bit textured. Do you see that? Whereas in the fake one, the shimmers and the mattes look more like, I don't know, they all just look a lot more matte. The shimmers don't look as shimmery. Oh crap, I did not mean to do that. Okay, wait, this is, that lid keeps closing on the fake one. Okay, here's a side by side. This one is the real one, this one is the fake one. So with the fake one, the pan sizes are a tiny bit smaller. I don't know if you can see that. I'm actually kind of scared to swatch it. What if the fake one's better than the real one? The shade Petrol in the fake one, they've just done as kind of like a blue grey colour, but this shade right here is actually got like a red undertone and it's kind of like bluey brown in the real one. Yeah, those two definitely swatch very differently. That's the fake one, that's the real one. It even has like the same lot number on the back. It's really creepy, the fact that they just literally copy exactly everything from the real products, stick it on the fake ones, and then, yeah, you know, like, it's obviously not the same ingredients, otherwise it would be the same as the real one. Like, I just don't get it. It really frustrates me. Why does fake makeup exist? Why can't they just do something else, you know? So I think what I'm gonna do is do all of the shimmers first and then all of the mattes. And I'm gonna order it so it's like fake, real, fake, real, fake, real. To be fair, that first shade, which is Fairy Lights, didn't swatch too badly. To be fair, like, you can't really see that too much on my arm. But the fake one is first and then this is the real one here. The fake one's just got a lot less shimmer in it. It's a lot more matte. Oh my god. Okay, right. I just put my finger in this to swatch it and it's all just like, I don't know, can you guys see that? It all just kind of is like coming apart. Okay, that one did not swatch well. It's got like loads of just excess powder everywhere. And then the real pink champagne is that one next to it. So again, the real ones have just got like a lot more actual shimmer in them than the fake. I mean, to be fair, like, these are still showing up, but they're just not as nice in my opinion. I mean, I might be a bit biased because it is mine, but you know. Okay, so this one is Grow Old in the fake. To be fair, that's not bad. And then this one is the real one. Yeah, like, again, the real one's just got more sparkle in it. I'm seeing a kind of running theme here, but that's not bad. It's not bad. Like, actually next to each other, this is the real, this is the fake. Like, the colours look pretty similar when you swatch them, but like this one's just a lot more like foily. Okay, Sparks Fly. That's the fake. Again, like, it's not bad. It's got pigment. That one is the real one. And then this one's supposed to be Smoky Bronze, but that's in the wrong order, so I'm going to do this one down here. Fake. Ooh, that's quite nice. And then real. Probably the best one so far, to be fair. Okay, I've run out of arm space. Why is it not coming off? What the heck? I don't know if this is just me being dramatic, but have I got a bit of a rash there? Okay, these two shades are really off. Okay, I've just realised in the fake one, this shade here, which is Cloudberry, they've changed it into a shimmer when it's supposed to be matte. In the real palette, it looks like this. This is the fake one. And then this is the real one. Then we have Petrol, which I've already done, but I'm just going to show you again. I mean, to be fair, like, this one is pretty pigmented, but as you can see, they're just like completely different colours. This one's like a bluey brown colour and this one's just like straight up a bluey grey. Festive Flame. Ooh, okay, fake. That's pretty pigmented. And then that's the real Festive Flame. Okay, those two are actually super similar. This one's just a tiny bit darker, but that one's actually got pretty decent pigment, not gonna lie. Okay, this one did like the same thing. I just rubbed my finger in there and it's all kind of like, I don't know, like coming apart. Do you guys see that? Fake. Again, like, it's pretty, that's pretty damn pigmented. And then the real one looks like this. Yeah, there we go. I feel like maybe I shouldn't swatch all of the matte shades because there's quite a lot of them and they're all pretty basic, but we've got to do the white and black and some of the bright shades. Okay, right, this is the fake white and this is the real white. To be honest, there's not much difference in them. A matte white does not swatch very nicely on an arm. I'm gonna go with the black, which is called Nightmare. Okay, this is the fake matte black and this is the real matte black. Okay, right, so I mean, obviously it's a little bit patchy, but those two are pretty different. Okay, right, let's do the red. They seem to have added some shimmer into their red. It's like a satiny finish. And then this is the real red, which is darker. Let's do this shade here, which is supposed to be Pumpkin. Again, they seem to have added some shimmer into this shade, whereas this one is matte in the real one. Okay, that's not bad. And then this is the real Pumpkin. This one's more pink. This one's more like reddish orangey. Let's go for Strawberry Sweets, which is, this is still the fake palette, but it's a matte pink. Okay, that's the fake one. Again, they've added like a tiny bit of shimmer in there. And then this is the real Strawberry Sweets. Okay, that one definitely wins. At this point, I've pretty much nearly done all of the shades, to be honest. Let's go for Cup of Tea, which is my fave transition. Okay, fake. Ooh, it's Excuse me? Hello? And then this is the real one. Oh, okay, well, come on. This one clearly wins. That one, like, where are you? Hello? Like, this one clearly decided to come as a ghost for Halloween and it's currently invisible, so... I'm gonna go for mug cake or fake mug cake. Okay, I think we have a similar sort of situation here. And I'm, like, really getting my finger in there. Okay, right, this is the fake mug cake. Again, like, hello, what are you doing? And then this is the real mug cake. Interesting. Okay, so basically, in conclusion, the palettes were kind of similar. To be fair to the fake one, there were quite a few shades in here that did have some decent pigmentation, and you could probably get like a decent eye look out of it. I mean, the shimmers aren't that shimmery. Some of them are pretty like dead, to be honest. Well, that was more than mattes, but I guess what I'm trying to say here is if you are wanting to get a particular item of makeup and you can't get your hands on it for whatever reason, or it's too expensive, like, I don't get why they've done this, because this is only a tenner. Like, normally it's the case with other expensive makeup, like, I don't know, Anastasia Beverly Hills or Jeffree Star or Morphe or whatever. There's so many fake ones of those out there. But in my opinion, I think what you should do is, if you can't afford, say for example, like an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick and you really want one, I would just say to look up dupes online, like drugstore dupes. There are so many good like drugstore alternatives out there that are going to be like way cheaper, and you actually know what's in them and they're actually on sale in a store, so they've been like tested and checked and whatever, so they're probably not, like most likely not, gonna cause some kind of reaction, or I don't know, like a lot of these fake makeup products, I've literally got no idea what's in this. I remember reading some story like a while ago how they found traces of like rat feces in fake makeup, and I was just like, ooh, like what? If you want to get something and you know you can't afford it, either ask for it for Christmas, save up for it, get a drugstore alternative. Just, I would not recommend buying fake makeup. And I know that not everyone is made of money and not everyone can afford to buy like expensive makeup products like £40 on an eyeshadow palette, and that is completely fine, but like, you know, you don't need a £40 eyeshadow palette to do like a good makeup look. Whoever is selling this on Wish, if you're watching this video, which you're probably most likely not, can you just not, like, that would be great, thanks. But I'm not taking it personally. I know it happens to literally like every makeup brand ever. I just didn't think I would see the day that somebody would try and make a knockoff Soph palette. Like, what the hell? Does this mean I made it? Like, I don't know. Okay, so that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys have like enjoyed it, maybe found it somewhat entertaining. I feel like maybe it was a bit boring, but like, whatever. If you do actually want to buy the real eyeshadow palette, I will leave links down below where you can get it from. Ooh, question of the day comes from Becky Lindsay, and she said, how do you feel about ASMR and would you ever consider doing an ASMR video? I actually love a bit of ASMR. I'm not so keen, like I don't like the ones where it's like making weird like those kind of like weird noises, like clicking noises and I don't know, stuff like that. I mostly just like the type of ASMR videos where people are just like talking really softly. Like sometimes when I can't sleep, I listen to some ASMR videos. Would I ever consider doing an ASMR video? I don't think my microphone is good enough for me to do an ASMR video. I'd have to get like a proper hefty microphone. I don't know, would you guys want to see one? I feel like it would be quite funny to maybe do like reading hate comments in ASMR, or just like, I don't know, I saw Sophie Louise did one recently and people seem to like it, so maybe I should, I'm not really sure. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. I hope you guys are all doing really, really well. Fingers crossed, next video I will be better and not sounding like this. But I hope you guys are all doing really well and I will see you in my next video. Bye!